everybody, the moment we've all been waiting for. Dive into this tasty West Coast Double IPA. I think I could speak for us all. We're all excited for a hop forward one on the iGulu, and this one does not fail, you guys. So I'm going to get into the tasting here and talk a little bit about what I think of it. So beautiful color here. I got the CO2 adapter part on here, so a little bit of head on there, but the clarity is just a beautiful looking IPA all around. There is a few things I do. I do use some beer salts, and I use distilled water. So that seems to help with just all around flavor, but clarity too, that I get in these beers. But wow, I mean, look at that beauty there. It is a wonderful IPA. Little hazy clarity, but that's expected with this big of a hop profile with it. So taste. So shockingly, this has a good bite and floral kind of taste to it, but not too much. And iGulu, that would be the only little feedback. Give me more hops with it. But I'll tell you what I plan on doing with this a little bit more as we get the kits rolling out and I get to explore and play with it. That was just like we did with the Saison. There's a lot of fun recipes we learned from some others on here, and that's what I really enjoyed about the Saison, the custom, how customizable it was. Even though they're not advertising this is that, I could see some ideas with other hop oils, other fruit flavors to it. But the nice thing about this is just the standalone brewing it as is, comes on the kit. This is a darn good whole double IPA. And the octanes there, it's advertised on here when you put, everything in. It's advertised, up to 8%. And I think we're pretty darn near that with the taste, or at least the samples I did last night that I had after it. I'm looking forward to this hop profile and how iGulu explores that, and how we can too as users. But we'll see what the future holds, because rumor is there's more down the pipeline as far as IPAs and hop forward ones with the iGulu, because I think they heard a lot of us and said, give me more hoppiness, and they have more to come. So thank you, iGulu, for listening to our feedback and producing this wonderful double IPA. And I look forward to see what all you do and what we got coming next to explore with. Bye, everyone.